You know Karen, this annoying desk attendant nobody likes. She's always gossiping over there, picking up your phone, checking your calendar, messing up your calendar. Well, I finally found a solution for Karen. Because right now we're in a place, in a time, that the job of desk attendant has officially become extinct and has been replaced by one guy. One digital guy who is happy working for pennies pretty much, works 24/7, will never complain, and will never mess up your calendar ever again. Look, this is the future of desk attendant. This is the future of Karen. Let me introduce you to Karen, powered by AI.
Awesome question, Karen. Our AI content creation tools help you generate SEO-friendly, engaging content tailored for your audience, whether it's blog posts, social media, updates, or email newsletters. It automates much of the writing process to save you time while keeping everything optimized for your goals.
So guys, the software we're gonna be using is called Vapi. Vapi is gonna pretty much provide the software where we're gonna base our desk attendant, our Karen powered by AI. All right, you can start completely by free. So here you can just check and get a try pretty much. Let's see how it sounds.
Welcome to Vapi. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good. What you offer?
I'd love to dive into what I offer, but before I do, would you mind telling me how you found out about Vapi?
No, I'm good. I see the point.
All right, no worries.
And after you create an account, it should look something like this. Here you can see my stats, how much I'm using it. Here you can see it's 400 minutes. So people are calling a lot this AI. Our beautiful Karen powered by AI. It's called Layla in our case. But yeah, let's call it Karen because it's Karen. And yeah, let's start creating one, all right? So it's pretty simple. Just go over here in Assistants and put Create New Assistant. And here you got some pre-made, pretty much prompts, right? In this case, which one do we want? Let's do in this case, let's use the lead qualification specialist, right? So we just put create assistant, and as I told you, this already comes with a beautiful prompt. So pretty much it's ready to go. We can just test it out. Over here, you can just select what artificial intelligence is gonna power Vapi. In this case, you can choose either OpenAI, Azure, Anthropic, Google, Grok, DeepSeek, Perplexity. In this case, I'm just going with OpenAI, and I'm going with the new model, the GPT 4.1. I found that the mini version is incredible. It's really cheap. It costs the same as the Nano, but the mini, it's just so much better at reasoning and understanding just variables and conversations and stuff like that, right? So let's put GPT 4.1 mini. Let's publish it, and yeah, let's just put talk to assistant and look at this.
Hello, this is Morgan from Growth Partners. We help businesses improve their operational efficiency through custom software solutions. Do you have a few minutes to chat about how we might be able to help your business?
Sure, sounds great. Go ahead.
Thank you. To start, could you tell me a bit about your business and the industry you operate in?
Look, right now we are more like a SaaS business. We help them just with the digital solutions, making websites, SEO, AI content creation, and everything's powered by automation and just a lot of AI in the back end.
That's a great point. It sounds like you're deeply involved in digital and automated services for clients. What systems or processes are you currently using to manage your project workflows or client engagements?
Well, right now we own our software. It's called OneXcale. That was just a quick example of what you can do with Vapi. And the thing is, you can just keep creating over here. If you didn't like the lead qualification specialist, go with, I don't know, info collector, and just create assistant. This one's called Jamie. Let's try it. Talk to assistant.
Hello, this is Jamie from Secure Connect Insurance. I'm calling to help you complete your application. This call is being recorded for quality and accuracy purposes. Is now a good time to collect this information?
Yeah, go ahead.
Great. Thank you. Today I'll be asking for some personal details and policy-related information to...
Okay, you got here the pre-made prompts, right? Maybe you don't like them. That's completely right. I don't use them either. One trick I'm gonna give you is just go to ChatGPT and over here, just search. And the GPTs, search for Vapi. Vapi Prompt Helper. Look at this. Start chat, and this thing is gonna give me a beautiful prompt that is optimized for Vapi, and it's gonna work so well. So let's do it. Hey GPT, I want to create a Vapi, which takes inbound calls. It's gonna be my desk assistant pretty much. And his job is just gonna collect information, just have a normal conversation like a human, ask a couple of questions, and just make sure to book a call at the end. All right? So you get some context. We are a SaaS company. We ran some websites. We do SEO. We do AI content creation powered by AI and automations, and everything in the backend is working through automations and AI. All right? We're not just a SaaS company. We are a SaaS powered by AI company. I would say that's pretty much all. And we focus mainly on the United States. And our niche is pretty much consultants and coaches in overall. And look at this, it's gonna give, we just put enter, and this thing is optimized for giving a beautiful prompt that's gonna work perfectly for Vapi. So in this case, how long is taking this? 5 minutes? You just copy the whole thing, go back to Vapi, you put create new assistant, blank template, here let's put Karen, AI, create assistant. Over here, let's select the AI we like, GPT 4.1 mini. Over here, system prompt, just put paste. Now, are you ready guys? Because this is gonna be amazing. Let's put publish, talk to assistant. Hello.
Hi there. Thanks for calling our AI-powered SaaS company. We help coaches and consultants boost their businesses with SEO, automation, and AI content tools. I'm your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Look, I'm interested in your SEO services. Like, that sounds pretty good. Can I schedule a call with you guys?
That's great to hear. We'd love to help with your SEO needs. To get that call set up, can I start by getting your full name?
Yeah, it's Vicente Cabrera.
Thanks, Vicente. What's the best email address to reach you at?
Vicente@onexscale.com.
Got it. Vicente at onescale.com, right? Just to make sure.
That's perfect.
Next, awesome. What kind of business are you in?
You can see the point, right? It's beautiful. Look, and if you don't like the voices, just come over here. Voice. And they got pre-made voices. For example, this one I love. Where is it? I think it's called Hannah. Hannah, look at this one. Look at this one sounds. Check this out. This is Karen. Hey.
Hi, Karen. Thanks for calling. I'm your assistant here at our AI-powered SaaS company, helping coaches and consultants with SEO, automation, and AI content creation. How can I assist you today?
Look, I'm interested in your AI content creation. How does it work?
Great to hear. Awesome question, Karen. Our AI content creation tools help you generate SEO-friendly, engaging content tailored for your audience, whether it's blog posts, social media, updates, or email newsletters. It automates much of the writing process to save you time while keeping everything optimized for your goals. Before we dive,
you can see a point. It's beautiful. And if you don't like it yet, just come over here. You can give it more temperature. The more temperature you give it, the more creative the AI is gonna be. So for example, if you do 0, it's gonna go really scripted. But if you go more temperature, I usually go with 1, so it has more freedom and actually adapts better to the conversation flow it is having. But it's just beautiful. Here you're gonna get the transcriber, and if you're wondering, okay, but I want to know what happened when people call my desk assistant, because Karen, she used to send me an email or like a summary or whatever. In this case, well, if you want to know what happened, just come over here to observe call logs. And in this case, I can get pretty much the conversations people are having with them, right? You can see the fail. You can see here why some of them are failing, because we use this not only for inbound, not only for actually getting calls, but we make calls to business using this, and it works beautifully. If you're interested in that, just let me know in the comments and I can break down all this for you. From automations to just from basic level to actually run 100% on Autopilot. And that's what's happening in our business right now. It's a whole lead generation machine working on its own. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. I would say, guys, I would say that's pretty much all. Just one more thing. If you want to start posting this and actually put it into your business, just come over here, create phone number, and you're like, oh, I have to spend money. Nope. Vapi will give you a free number. So just put an area code, just put 948, you put create, and look at this. Well, it's not available, let's put 1813. Create. And as simple as that, I already have a phone number. Beautiful, right? Now, it's taking 2 minutes to activate. I will be right back to show you how to put this AI desk attendant to start running. So the number is officially activated, as you can see over here. So now, inbound. Inbound means you getting a call to your phone. Outbound in this case is you calling other phone. In this case, we want inbound because we're replacing Karen, right? So in this case, inbound phone number, just we select the number over here. This is the one we just created. Assistant, here we select the one we just created, Karen AI. And if you want the feedback of how the call went with Karen AI, just put your phone number over here and you're gonna get, I think, a summary at the end of the day. So that's pretty sweet. And I would say that's pretty much all. So now you got this number. If you want to just start using Karen, just go to your website, for example, just put 1x scale. If you go down here, we got this, our business number. You can just put Karen over there, or you can just forward the number you got to Karen, and Karen is gonna handle the inbound calls. I told you guys, this thing works beautiful. Now, if you like it, make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel. This whole thing was just Karen taking the calls. If you're curious how to actually, instead of Karen, let's have Dave, and Dave calling businesses or past customers or whatever, just go check this video because it's gonna show you how to have a whole empire of numbers calling business 24/7 in different countries. Doesn't matter. Sounds good? See you there.